how was Chesney assaulted or hit?
He kept his hand in her braids, in a ponytail, so he wrapped his hand around in a ponytail and he was hitting her with his fist.
Ke umbambeke iphondo leli alisho iphondo leli inwele zakhe ebese ke ebemshaya ngenqindi wafaka isandla sakhe phakathi kwephondo lenwele zakhe umshaya ngenqindi.
Can we was Chesney fighting back?
She tried to get loose. All she could say was, please don't hit me in front of Malik and please leave me alone.
Uzamile ke ukuzilwela ukuphunyuka uChesney konke beke lokho beke kusho wathi bekecela ukuthi angamshayi phambi kwaMalik naye.
He refused to leave Chesney alone. That's when me and Malik ran to the passenger door and we opened the passenger door. Malik was hitting Mandla on his hand so that he can let go of Chesney's ponytail and let go of Chesney so that we can get her out of the way.
Sasihamba sovula umnyango ke lapho ke eqeleni kule qala leli kungena khona abantu sathi mase suvula ke umnyango uMalik wasezama ukumshaya ke mangalo lokuqala esandleni ukuthi ayekele iphondo ka Chesney ukuthi azokwazi ukuphuma simkhiphe lapho.
We then I pulled Chesney and Malik was hitting him. That's when we got Chesney out of the van. I pulled her out of the van. I closed the door and we ran into the house.
Amdonsa uChesney mina ke lapho ke uMalik bese ke emshaye esandleni yila sithole khona ukukhona ukumkhipha uChesney emotweni kusenjalo ke sase siyagijima siyongena endlini.
So it's three of you?
Yes.
Kanje ke senibathathu.
It was you, Malik, and Chesney.
So bekuyena no Malik no Chesney.
Yes. So the other thing that I want to know.
We knew already it was Mandla, and then he came to the side, to the back door. Then he tried to open the back door. That's when he came to the kitchen window.
Emva kwalokho sase sazwa umsindo emnyango wangaphambili lapho bese sazi ke ukuthi uyena uMandla wasesuka futhi eya ngasemnyango wangase muva wahamba waya ngase fasterende lase kitchen.
Yes. So when you say it was a bang, okay. So he was banging the door.
He was banging on the door, trying to open the front door.
Thina ke beke bangumsindo emnyango ewuphusha kusho ukuthi ezama ukuvula.
Okay. And then from there?
After banging on the front door, he came to the back door.
Makasuka lapho kulo mnyango wangaphambili ezama ukuvula waya kulo wangasemuva.
Yes.
He saw that he couldn't enter by the back door. Then he went back to the kitchen window, which is at the back as well.
Wabona ke ukuthi uyahluleka lapho wahamba ke waya kule fastera lela ngase kitchen lelo fastera nalo lingasemuva.
When he got to the kitchen window, we have a burglar, so we tried breaking the burglar off so that he can enter the house.
Makaya ke ngase fastera lela se kitchen lelo fastera ke line butler so beke ezama ukuphula lelo butler ukuthi azokwazi ukungena.
Okay.
Accused number 1 was shouting and screaming, telling us Chesney better come out. He wants his car keys, and we didn't have his car keys because the car keys that he wanted was Chesney's car keys.
Uthi yena ke umangalelo kwesibili engaphandle memeza athi kungcono bephumele ngaphandle ngoba umbangalelo oqala yena uthi ufuna ikhiya zemoto yakhe kodwa-ke iy'khiya zemoto lesibheke ey'funa akuzona iy'khiya zemoto yakhe, iy'khiya zemoto kaChesney.
I begged accused number 1 to leave.
Ase ngiyamcela-ke umangalelwa wokuqala ukuthi makahambe.
My mother, Leanne, heard all the noise. That's when she came out from the back room.
Umamami-ke uLeanne uzwile-ke lo msindo, yilapho-ke ephuma khona erumini leli elingasemuva eza ngaphandle.
My leadership, we will request that the evidence be allowed in the interim. The witness will come and testify to that.
Yes. And that's when she shouted to me, Chesney and Malik, that she thinks Mandla went to go fetch the gun. We must close the kitchen window and go lie in the back room. We must go to the back room and lie flat on the ground.
Yilapho-ke uma wami esengitshela-ke ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi umangalelwa wokuqala uye emotweni uyothatha isibhamu, simele-ke singene kule room leli engasemuva-ke siyivale futhi le window leli elingasekhishini silale phansi.
Did you do what your mother instructed you to do?
After my mother told us to go to the back room and lie flat on the ground, me and Chesney were still in the kitchen. My mother ran to the back room, so Chesney just closed the window. And I just made it out of the kitchen, and then I heard gunshots. It was 4 to 5 gunshots that I heard.
Ngemva kwalokho-ke uma wami akaceda ukusichazela ukuthi masibalekeni phela sekule room elingasemva sifike khona sihlale phansi. Uma wami bese-ke egijimela ngakhona-ke mina-ke bengisanda kuphuma, uChesney yena wakhona nje ukuthi avale ifastera leli elasekhishini. Ngemva kwalokho ngase ngizwa ukukhala kwesibhamu, you say 4 or 5 times?
4 to 5 gunshots.
Uthi-ke sidubule 4 to 5 times.
Yes.
And when I got to the room, as the gunshots were going off, we ran towards the room. When I turned around, I looked into Chesney and she was bleeding.
Ngemva kwalokho-ke besabaleka-ke siya kule room langasemuva. Ngathi mangibheke emuva-ke mina ngibheka uChesney, mangombheka ngabona ukuthi uphuma igazi.
Yes.
All she said to me was, Jaden, see ya, what must I do?
Akushilo kimi ukuthi Jaden buka lana kumele ngenze njani-ke manje.
And that's when I went to Chesney and she collapsed in my arms in front of the bathroom door.
Yilapho-ke ngiye khona kuChesney, and then waseke eyawa uChesney phambi kwami ngombambile phambi komnyango wasebathroom. Ewa ezandleni zami phambi komnyango wasebathroom.
She fell into my arms and I started screaming to my mother. It was in the back room.
Waseke make wezandleni
I
zami.
don't know what to do because Chesney is bleeding out. And as I was doing that, I heard the van drive 3 times up and down outside.
Emva kwalokho-ke wawa-ke uChesney ezandleni zami, ngase ngiyamemeza mina ngimemeza uma wami ngisho ukuthi angazi ngenze njani uChesney uyopha. Ngisaqeda ukusho lokho-ke ngase ngizwa ivan ngaphandle liya phansi liya phezulu kathathu.
We tried phoning the police, we tried phoning the ambulance, we couldn't get a hold of none of them.
Sase siyazama-ke ukufonela amaphoyisa, sazama futhi nokufonela i-ambulance, kodwa-ke akekho esike samthola kulezo ndawo.
We tried phoning a father and a brother because we know that they have cars at home so that they can take us to the hospital.
Sase sizama ukufonela ubaba wakhe-ke nobhuti wakhe ngoba sazi ukuthi baney'moto ekhaya ukuthi bazokwazi ukumthatha bamise esibhedlela.
getting a hold of Malik was trying to get a hold of Uncle Trevor, Cherry, and a few friends of ours, the cars. No one was answering.
Emva kwalokho ke uMalik bekazama ke ukuthola